Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export your account data on Copilot, including, for example, the history of your chats and conversations, to save it on your device, for instance. So let us guide you through this. Head over to Copilot, log into your account, click into your profile icon in the bottom left, and select Settings from the sidebar here to the left. And here inside your account settings, navigate to the Privacy tab and choose Export or Delete History. This is going to redirect you to your Microsoft account through a separate tab. So make sure that you log into your Microsoft account. And after that, you will be navigated to the Privacy tab here to the left. And here, what you want to do is scroll down to your Copilot activity history. Click into Export All here. And that is going to export your Copilot activity history in a CSV file format on your device. So you may find it in your download folder. You may click into this folder button to get redirected to it, or delete it by clicking into this trash icon here. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.